Okay, so I am going to go ahead and jump into a couple other things here that I want to show you. One of the most important ones is the details view. So I'm going to click on one of these listings and show you everything that they see on each listing. So I'm able to come in here and access my listing, view the pictures, look at all the details. Here, I have West USA selected as my agent, but this is where your picture, name, information is all going to show up. If you have a biography, that will be here as well. This is going to be when you share the app through your QR code or invite link, or if somebody you already have on here is on the platform that's connected to you, they're going to see you and you only on every single listing. If I want information on this listing and I want to contact you, I can click chat and then I can start a conversation with you and I can actually send the listing, I can send this over to you, ask questions, send pictures. I can access my recently searched and favorite list from here. And this is how I can communicate with you back and forth on things that I have questions on. So going back here to the listing, I can also share listings very easily. So if I am either the agent, so if I'm you, or if I'm even just a regular user, I can come in here and share this listing at any time via text message, email. I can share it on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, like wherever I'd like to. So let's just say I'm going to click Facebook. So anytime I want to share a listing, it's going to be very shareable. So I can share it anywhere I want. And the nice thing is, even if your clients share this listing to other people and those people click on the link to view it and they're inside the app, they're always going to be routed back to you and you're always going to be the only point of contact. Okay, so moving down here, you're going to get all the information of the listing. I can come in here and write notes on the listing, and then the note lives underneath here, and I can always read that note as a consumer. That's an analytic coming back your way too. So you're always going to see what notes they're writing, have a custom mortgage calculator I can access. If I want directions to the listing, I can click on directions and it's going to bring me to whatever native app I have on my phone. And then, going back here, I can see the greatschools.org integration, which tells me, the school ratings and the nearby schools and whatnot. The main call to action on here is schedule a viewing. And this is just a way for you to kind of differentiate them contacting you and why they're contacting you. So like if I come in here and I say, okay, I want to see the house on the 14th, and I'm just going to write test here. I can send my request to you. It's going to let me know that I've requested it and that you'll get back to me shortly. Then on your end, you're going to get a push notification and an email, and it's going to tell you the address, the person requesting it, and the day. That way you can take it from there and get something set up. So as you can see, there's definitely a robust, experience here for them to get all the information they need, directions, taking notes, scheduling a viewing. That way they have everything at their fingertips and it's all directly connected to you. Going back here, you do have the chat box. So you're going to see all of your chat clients here if you're logged in as an admin. I'm logged in as a consumer, so I'm only going to be seeing my agent profile. But the nice thing is if I had a bot set up, I would have gotten a welcome message down here and a little unread message. So you guys can do that. I'll show you on the back end. You also can share this very easily right here from the account page before I move on to the dashboard, which is going to really show you some of your back office tools, including, I'm just going to jump over to my app really quick because I am logged in as an agent, and I'm going to give you guys a shortcut here to know if you're logged in properly. If you see the Insights button here, that means you're logged in as an agent. So as you can see, I'm a regular user. The app looks the same. It pretty much is the same, but I don't have an insights button. Now, if I go in where I'm logged in as an admin, I have insights. Now, when you have the insights, you're going to see all of your users. So if you already had users on the platform, they'll be here. If you didn't, that's okay. I'm sure you'll get some soon. You're going to be able to click on your users and see exactly what they're doing. You can see what they're favoriting, what they're taking notes on, what searches they've set up. So if they have any saved searches, you can come in here and see what saved searches they've set up. It's all going to give you information that is going to give you, some insight. Like the way that this really becomes powerful, in my opinion, is, say Will here that we were just looking at, say he ghosted me 4 or 5 months ago and he kind of stopped his search and didn't really give me a clear reason why, or maybe he did. Now he's back on the radar. He's viewing properties, he's saving searches, he's logging in. And now I think it's a good time to reach out. So obviously, just like any platform, when you have user analytics, you get to use them to be more effective in what you're doing. You know your clients better. The timing becomes very, spot on when you know when to contact who. This is an activity stream that's telling me, who's viewing what, if I have a new user, if someone favorited something, and so on and so on. It's just on the go. You got lots of information. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into one more thing. So we talked about custom push notifications, right? This isn't a client of mine who is killing it, of ours, more Rachel's, she's on the call with us, that's killing it with these push notifications. So this is some examples that they've sent out. Fair housing is important to all of us at Gallery of Homes. Check out this public service announcement. Want to get pre-approved but don't know where to start? Here's a lender we like a lot. For first-time home buyers, what the heck is earnest money? I'm going to click on that one, see where it brings me. So it brings me to a useful blog post. Watch the behind the scenes video of our staging crew. We offer beautiful complimentary staging and photography to all of our listing clients. So if I click on that, it's bringing me to a cool YouTube. Then they're sending out listings too. Whoa, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, upgraded kitchen, finished basement, theater room in Plainfield. Check it out. What's the difference between an inspection and an appraisal? These are all things that they curated. I'm going to show you how to do it on the back end. Super easy. And it's a really great way to get information out. I know you guys are utilizing, your email platforms and social media. This is just another arm to that. That's really powerful because it gets delivered directly to their phone.